Here it is, my Silver Aston Martin DB5, 1964. Time left it behind, but it still has a heartbeat.
In a cold junkyard, the Silver Aston Martin DB5 1964 sits in silence, weathered, forgotten, and waitings. A single slow wipe. Grit releases, and the badge name returns, sharp and proud. Hook seated, chain tensioned. Each ratchet click is control, not force. Under warm workshop lights, the Silver Aston Martin DB5 1964 rolls onto the lift. Quiet, steady, deliberate. Thick foam blankets the surface, softening years of dirt into something you can gently remove. Soft bristles between every slat, slow circles, chrome waking up one line at a time. A clean sweep of water from top to bottom, and the old grime finally lets go. Clay gliding slowly, rough becomes smooth until the paint feels like glass. Microfiber across chrome, one pass, and the reflection snaps into focus. A heavy door creak, dust falls, the cabin exhales decades of still air. One clip at a time, a soft pop, then into the tray, perfectly sorted. Slow ratchet clicks, bolts out. The seat shifts free with a quiet scrape of rails. The nozzle follows the seams, dust disappears, clean lines remain. Up on the lift, rust and grime in plain view, every seam inspected with calm light. Steady pressure. The old undercoat cracks and peels away in dry, satisfying sheets. A gentle touch with the wire wheel. Orange rust turns to bright, honest metal. Rust converter brushed on slowly. The surface darkens, stabilized and quiet. On the bench, caliper apart. Each piece placed in order, no rush, no mess. A slow bend, a clean arc. Brake lines shaping like it left the factory yesterday. The press moves gradually, old bushing out, new bushing in, perfectly centered. Fasteners loosened with care, every bolt labeled, every step intentional. The hoist clicks, chains go taut, the engine rises, controlled and steady. A quiet wipe, oil residue lifts, and clean metal appears underneath. Measure. Listen for the click. Precision you can hear. Hand brushed black along the seams. Slow strokes. Crisp edges returning. A thin skim of filler, spread smooth, just enough to bring the panel back. Long block sanding passes. High spots disappear. Dust falls like soft snow. Tape laid perfectly on the chrome line, fingertip pressure, the edge seals clean. Even primer passes, a uniform matte coat, the surface finally ready. Wet sanding slowly, milky water trails. The texture becomes finer with every stroke. Metallic silver base coat, smooth overlap, the flake begins to shimmer under the lights. Metallic silver base coat, smooth overlap, the flake begins to shimmer under the lights. A light touch to level tiny nibs, slow, careful strokes, perfectly even again. The polisher hums low, haze clears, mirror shine returns. Chrome aligned and tightened, gentle torquey clicks, gaps set perfectly. Rubber seal pressed into place, trim tool guiding the edge. Soft squeaks of a perfect fit. Fresh leather smoothed by hand, wood trim wiped clean, deep gloss, zero dust. Key turned slowly, starter whirs, and the inline six settles into a calm, refined idle. A slow walk around, silver paint like a mirror, chrome razor sharp, Silver Aston Martin DB5 1964, restored beyond new.